Question number 12. How many arrangements can be made with the letters of the word mathematics if there is no restriction? First part is there is no restriction. No restriction. No restriction. How will you make? How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, factorial of 11 upon 2 times m, 2 times a, 2 times t. 1 times no need to write. So, factorial 2 into factorial 2 into factorial 2. So, I will write 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Factorial 2, 2 into 1 into 2 into 1 into 2 into 1. So, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Cancelled by this. When you will multiply these all numbers, you will get 498, 498, 9600 when there is no restriction. Part second. Vowels occur together. Vowels occur together. How many vowels are there? You can see. How many vowels are there? 2A, 1E and 1 I. 2A, 1E, 1 I. So these vowels occur together. So that can be arranged in. So that can be arranged in how many ways? Can you please tell me? Factorial 4 upon, here you can see 2a is coming twice, a is coming twice, so factorial of 2. So 4 into 3 into factorial 2 upon factorial, how many ways? 12 ways you can arrange the vowels. Now this bundle of vowel, now this bundle of 4 vowels are there, 2a, 1e, 1i. So total 4 vowels are there. Now this bundle and remaining, how many are remaining? 1e I used, 1 I used, 1 2a. So 2 to 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 consonants. Remaining 7 consonants. Now this bundle of 4 vowels, bundle is treated as 1 of 4 vowels and remaining 7. So 1 plus 7, total 8. Can be arranged in, 7 consonants. How many are there? 2m, 2t, 1h, 1c, 1s. So can be arranged in how many ways? You can see 7 consonant in this bundle. So 7 plus 1. So factorial 8 upon 2m, 2t. So factorial 2 into factorial 2. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 1, 2 into 1 into 2 into 1. 2 to the 4, 4. When you will solve, you will get what? 10,080. 10,080. So, by multiplication principle of counting, you will write the number of ways when vowels occur together. So, 12 into 10,080. 12 into 10,080. When you will solve, you will get, already I have solved, so 129,660 arrangements are possible when vowels occur together. Now part third. Now part third, you can see all vowels don't occur together. All vowels don't occur together. Don't occur together. How will you find? So total arrangement without restriction. How will you find? Total arrangement without restriction minus when all vowels come together. All vowels don't occur together. So total arrangement without restriction minus all vowels occur together. We did total arrangement without restriction in first part. So how much we got that time? 4989600 minus all vowels occur together. Now only we solved 120960 in second. So answer will be 4868640. Arrangements can be made when all vowels don't occur together. Now part 4th. Now part 4th. Fourth part is consonants occur together. Consonants. That is 2M, 2T, 1H, 1C, 1S occur together. So that can be arranged in how many ways? How many are there? 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Factorial 7 upon 2M, 2T. So factorial 2 into factorial 2. Ways you can arrange these. Consonant. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into factorial 2 only I will write upon factorial 2 into factorial 2. This factorial 2 I will write 2 into 1. This get cancelled. Factorial 2 is 2 into 1 only. This 2 2 is 4. 7 6 is 42. 5 2 is 10. 10 3 is 30. 1 2 6 0 ways. Now this bundle of consonant, 7 consonant, and how many are remaining? 2A, 1E, 1I. So now this bundle of 7 consonants, and how many are remaining vowels? 2A, 1E, 1I, and 4 vowels can be arranged. 4 vowels. So 2A, 1E and 1I. This bundle of 7 consonants and 4 vowels, that is 2A, 1E, 1I, can be arranged how many ways? 4 vowels and this bundle of 7 consonants. So 4 vowels plus 1 bundle. So 5. So factorial 5 upon 2A, 1E, 1I. 1 so no need to write. So factorial of 2. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 upon factorial 2, 2 into 1. 2 cancel. 16. Is it correct? So total ways will be, total arrangements or total ways when consonants occur together will be by multiplication principle of counting. 12 16 to 60. 12 16 to 60. So how much will come? 75600 ways or arrangements. Now part 5th. Now part 5th. M is at both extremes. M is at both. M is at both extremes. So that can be arranged in one way each. So that can be arranged in one way each, that is fixed. You see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. This M is fixed. Here also 1 is fixed. One way it is fixed, that it will be M. 2 M's are there. So 1 M is fixed. Now remaining how many places are there? 9 places. So these 9 letters can be arranged in how many ways? Factorial 9 upon M is fixed, it is gone now. 2A, 2T, 1H, 1E, 1I, 1C, 1S. No need to consider because factorial 1 is 1 only. So factorial 9 upon factorial 2 into factorial 2. So 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 upon 2 factorial 2 factorial. So 2 into 1, 2 into 1. So 4. 4, 4. Cancel. While solving, you will get 90,720 arrangements are there. 90,720. And I'll check. Answer is first part. 90,720 ways are there. Now part 6. Now part 6th. It's written, take order of vowels remains unchanged. Order of vowels remain unchanged. Order of vowels remain unchanged. So take all, hint is given, take all vowels like 4 alike things. So how will you write? Can you please tell me? Order of vowels remain unchanged. So take all vowels like 4 alike things. So required number of arrangements is about factorial 11 upon this 2A, 1E, 1I. Consider all vowels and order of vowel remain unchanged. To treat it like this 3 type of vowels. So take is factorial 4 only. 2, 3, 4. So factorial 4 into factorial 2, factorial 2 into factorial 2 into factorial 2. So when you will solve 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into factorial 4 upon factorial 4 factorial 2, I am writing 2 into 1 into 2 into 1 factorial 4 cancel. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. While you will solve, when you will solve, you will get 41,000. Sorry, lakh. 1 minute. 4,15,800 arrangements are possible. 4,15,800 arrangements are possible when order of vowels remain unchanged. In this case, you have to take all vowels like 4 alike things. So answer is 4,15,800. Thank you.